What are your career goals and aspirations?
My career goals include advancing in my field, developing leadership skills, and achieving a work-life balance.
How do you approach setting and achieving professional goals?
I approach by setting specific, measurable goals, creating a detailed action plan, and regularly reviewing my progress to ensure I'm on track.
What skills are essential for success in your career?
Essential skills include effective communication, problem-solving abilities, and strong time management.
How do you handle workplace challenges or conflicts?
I handle challenges by addressing issues directly, seeking collaborative solutions, and maintaining a professional demeanor at all times.
What strategies do you use for career development?
Strategies include networking with industry professionals, continuing education through courses and certifications, and seeking mentorship from experienced colleagues.
How do you maintain a healthy work-life balance?
I maintain balance by setting clear boundaries between work and personal life, prioritizing personal time for hobbies and family, and managing work-related stress through mindfulness techniques.
What motivates you to excel in your job?
I am motivated by opportunities for personal growth, the satisfaction of achieving challenging goals, and the desire to make a positive impact on my team and organization.
How do you stay productive and manage your time effectively at work?
I stay productive by prioritizing tasks based on urgency and importance, using time management tools like to-do lists and calendars, and minimizing distractions throughout the workday.
What are some ways to build professional relationships?
Ways include attending networking events, collaborating on cross-functional projects, and maintaining regular communication with colleagues and industry peers.
How do you approach professional development and skill enhancement?
I approach by seeking relevant training opportunities, attending industry conferences and workshops, and engaging in self-study to keep up with the latest trends and technologies.